This is a challenge where I am going to raise these accounts using only one single strategy. It is called the Quasimodo pattern. So guys, welcome to this new video, and this is Alan Forex, and join me as we raise this account. Having a fresh $24 account, we are going to try to raise it to at least 4 times its size. So I start by adding a position, therefore I will proceed by drawing our Quasimodo zone. It is important to know that before trading a Quasimodo pattern, we are supposed to know the overall trend of the market and at least know the best time frame to execute that position. So first of all, we draw the right and left shoulder of the Quasimodo pattern, and I see that this is a very good setup, and followed by that nice rejection given by our hammer candle. Now I see that the stop loss position is very well intact with our line, so I try to add a few more positions because it is giving us a very good vibe here. And unfortunately I cannot add more positions, and bear in mind that the more I keep adding positions, the more my broker charges me for commission. So I draw my shadow zone. This shadow zone indicates the zone at which the Quasimodo pattern is the most tradable area. That is the best conference whereby we are supposed to trade this zone. So we can see that nice rejection area, and the next candle has already formed, and given that doji, that simple red doji that is in between, it shows that the market is still very much bullish, and the bulls are in position. So I am targeting this zone here because it is the next very reliable resistance zone, and we do not want to engage any further because of greed. So unfortunately, like you see, I cannot add any more positions. So however be the case, as the price continue to go up, we are going to begin to add more positions, because when you always have a nice pattern, guys, it's always important that you should leverage the positions, or you should leverage your trade. It's always good to leverage it, because you can never know, you can always raise $5 with to 500 to $500 only by leveraging, and leveraging has a very a big amount of power. So guys, so let's continue to raise this account and see how the trade goes. You know, the best thing about the Quasimodo setup is that it has a very high yielding probability, and from experience, I'll give you guys a little bit of good experience. I have noticed that the Quasimodo buy is much more reliable than the Quasimodo sell. So that's why most of the time I trade Quasimodo buy setups, and I like to always leverage them because they always heal a lot. So guys, so let us keep adding our positions. We see leveraging has a lot of power, as we keep seeing. Let's keep adding the positions, and it is important to note that the more we add positions, the more we are maximizing our profit. And I encourage you all to watch to the end to see the end result of how we are going to raise this account. And if you guys want to keep on seeing good videos about maybe raising an account using maybe only demand and supply, or using only Quasimodo, or using only other different trading strategies, you make sure to follow this my YouTube channel, and I am going to be updating you guys weekly upon the best strategies that I use, and what are the most reliable strategies to use for your trading. And it's also good to know that not every strategy works for everybody, and it's also important to bear in mind that psychology plays a very big important role in the life of a trader. So guys, let's keep trading and see how we can take these trades, and Baba. Let us go. Let us go. Let us go. Let's go. Let's keep adding. Let's keep adding. Let's keep adding. And we are going to quit the trade for a while now, and come back later and see the performance so far. Okay, my people, so we are back again. And so far the trade is beautifully, which is almost $100. Oh guys, so it is beautifully hitting $100, and we could not keep adding position because we were busy with other things. We had other activities to do during the day, so we took our mind off the trade. Is As a trader, it's also important to know that you should not always be focused on your chart minute by minute, because it plays a very huge important role in your psychology. So it's always good to take time off. It's always good to take time off. That's why even in football match there's always time off. So we are beautifully rocking in profit. Let us see how far, if the trade can reach our take profit. Okay guys, so the trade has reached our take profit. It almost reached our take profit, and it is just by a pip. But so far we are not going to continue. Let us close for now and enjoy what we can. It's also good to know that greed is a bad factor when trading, guys. So thank you for sticking to the end, and I hope that you subscribe, you like, and you give your thoughts on this. Thank you guys.